Common pitfall is when you throw technology, tools, and a few data scientists at the problem. That doesn't work because what happens is that solutions that are created in an ivory tower uh, don't normally get implemented. And worse, if they are implemented and they are ineffective, that just creates a legacy of something not working. And so newer initiatives, there is a less of an acceptance for newer initiatives. In our experience, I think what we feel really works is that in these sort of new working models, which need to leverage across multiple business units, uh, there are some critical elements that we think are required. One is that we have to find better ways to get the cross-functional teams working together. In just what you articulated in your opening, sales has to come together with marketing, has to come together with product, has to come together with business technology. So we have to get better at making cross-functional teams work together, number one. Number two, I think data. We have to get cleverer about and more aggressive about a data strategy that works for us as a whole, because good artificial intelligence systems require a lot of data to be fed into them in order for it to be effective, and data has to come from multiple sources. Third, in terms of implementation, it will be good if you find ways to realize value quickly. So smaller chunks, prove the value, build on that. I think that's an absolutely critical aspect of it. And then last but not least, I think none of these things work unless the sales organization, the distribution organization adopts this. And so some level of attention, energy towards early user experience and adoption and enablement in general, I think are critical aspects of success.
Yeah, so Arun, you talked about the kind of user experience for sales and also the need for cross-functional teams to come together. I'm curious, Erin, what have you seen on those sorts of topics?
Yeah, that really resonates for me as well. I think the biggest barrier or opportunity is the culture of the organization. And so where people either embrace or resist this depends on how well it's orchestrated across how much involvement the cross-functional teams have in this. In order to really make it work, everyone needs to have their sights on that common vision. So what are we trying to deliver in terms of customer experience? And that intention needs to lie above all the different silos. There needs to be the kind of culture that people can bring forth challenges. What I've seen in a lot of, it's not just in the financial services industry, I think it's how we approach business normally is we're all reluctant to bring a problem forward because we all think that we should be able to handle it. And the challenge is in these complex environments, no one person can handle all of this. It's a cross-disciplinary challenge.